students, hello मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. So today we are going to start of foundation course for class 9. क्लास 9 के बच्चों के लिए बायोलॉजी के फाउंडेशन कोर्स को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी नीट IIT अड्डा is a platform for competition exams. They are preparing students for NEET and IIT. That's why it's named NEET IIT अड्डा. पर बच्चों, before entering for class 11th and 12th, we are giving foundation course for all the students, those who pursue their career in medical or engineering. So बच्चों, क्लास 9th में जो भी आप पढ़ेंगे, क्लास 10th में जो भी आप पढ़ेंगे, वही सब elaborated और brief knowledge क्लास 11th and 12th में मिलेगा. So क्लास 9th के बच्चों के लिए these chapters are very very important, क्योंकि इसी से पूरी NCERT से ही नीट और IIT के एग्जाम्स के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो बच्चों, क्लास 9th का फर्स्ट चैप्टर बायोलॉजी का है, द फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. टुडे we are going to start this chapter, the small part of this chapter in lesson 1, how to overview microscope, how to examine microscope, because Robert Hooke, he discovered cell in 1665. He observed these small little room-like structures that he named cell. It's little room-like structures, and he observed all these three through microscope. So today I'm going to describe about the structure of microscope. कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जहाँ पर स्कूल से microscope available नहीं होता है. They have not seen microscope during these classes. So today I'm going to examine, because in class 9 the board paper will come from CBSE and they will ask few questions, MCQ questions on the basis of microscopic knowledge. So you should know, you should understand the knowledge of microscope. So first, see overview of microscope. Yes बच्चों, see the overview of microscope. Yes, my students, I will give you different, I will explain you the different structures, different parts of microscope. So you will see different parts of microscope. This part we are handling microscope. This is stand, right? This is stage and eyepiece and different parts lens. So I will show you the next picture, how you will see microscope in your laboratory. Yes, in my lab I have this microscope. So you can see microscope, and this is eyepiece. These are two screws. I will tell you the name of these two screws and the difference in these two screws. This is arm through which we are handling microscope. This is stage on which we are putting anything, whatever we will prepare, and we want to see magnifying image of that is stage. And this is a stand through which that microscope we are handling, right? So next, through and one more thing बच्चों, आप यहाँ पर देखिए, ये जो डिफरेंट पार के लेंसेज हैं, इनके पास ब्लू रेड एंड येलो कलर की लाइनिंग्स है. दिस इज शोइंग कि तीनों लेंसेज की पार अलग अलग हैं. कुछ लो पार के लेंसेज हैं, कुछ वेरी हाई एंड वेरी वेरी हाई पार लेंसेज हैं. सो दे इंक्रीज द साइज ऑफ इमेज with the help of magnification. So the next slide you will see, yes, in this slide you will see there are different parts of microscope. And with the help of microscope, you can see any object which you cannot see with your naked eye. जो हम अपनी खुली आंखों से देख ही नहीं सकते, वो चीजें हमें मैग्नीफाई होकर 50x, 100x, 1000x, we can see these images with the help of multiplication of the image, whatever it is written in eyepiece and objective lens. So yeah, here these are the different parts. There are different functioning of these parts. So bachcho, this is eyepiece through which we can see anything which is we are preparing on slide and we will put on the stage, right? This is stand. This one is arm through which we are handling microscope, and these are different parts, lenses, and they are called objectives. They increase the image of that particular object. For example, if we are peeling a small piece of leaf and we want to see cell onion peel, cell of onion peel, I'll show you how to see, how to prepare the slide of onion peel, and you will see different structure of the cells, tissues of onion. So with the help of these objectives, you can see with the help of low power lens, these are high power lens. In low power lens, you will see different cells. In high power lens, you will see different parts of the cell. We will discuss in the next lecture, that is cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, etc. And we will put on the strays. Then they can ask the question, what's the difference between coarse adjustment and fine adjustment screws? These are two screws present on microscope. बच्चों, coarse adjustment screw is to fix and to visualize whatever we are putting on slide, and we are going to see through eyepiece. Coarse adjustment. Fine adjustment sharpens the vision, like you can see clear view, because everybody is having different eyesight, so they can adjust with the help of fine adjustment screw, and they can examine with the help of fine adjustment screw. So this is all about the working of microscope. That's it. And in the next lecture, I will give you few objective type questions, MCQ questions and case study based questions on this microscope. So watch that video also, that will help in your further term 1 exams. Good day, students.